Hello and welcome to this video. That's the third lock that was in the package from MellowGrellow, the second goodie. It's a 5-pin challenge lock made by Steensy+MB15, and it's number 1 of their co-production. So it's locked up. I do have a key, but it's still wrapped up. Steensy+MB15. So I try to use tension from at the open side of the lock, maybe like so. Yeah, that's nice. And I start with a shallow hook from Sparrows. Turn it just a bit like so. All right. Light tension all the way to the back. Okay, I think that was 4. Alright, this is another day and another try. Meanwhile, I picked it open 3 times in total, but I can only pick it clockwise, not counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, pin 1 is stiff at the very first moment, and I cannot set it. I have to release tension and manually counter rotate the plug, but then everything falls down again. Yeah, and to pick it clockwise, I need very fine control over the plug, and so I made myself a special tension wrench from a piece of wire that fits perfectly in the keyway here, so that I can nicely control the plug. Alright, now let's see. So I go clockwise. Yeah, really great job, Steensy+MB15. So I only touch pin 5 and got a full set, 4 full set increased, and I'm at really light tension. That is 3, I think. And this is always a problem because I get feedback, but then it feels like that I either didn't set it all the way it needs, or I overset something, because full set is gone now, and it doesn't come back. I try a different hook, a deep hook, maybe 5 or 6 are short key pins, so they need to be set deeper or they came back. I have really no idea. I don't know the bidding. Check all the other pins. So got feedback, little counter rotation, and I think it was 3, but not that deep full set as in the beginning. Yeah. When I pick it clockwise, this lock gives good feedback, so it talks a lot. But yeah, frankly, it talks nonsense. I cannot understand what it says. Now it comes back, so the full set's slowly coming back. Not sure what I do here. Okay. Getting feedback from 2, I guess. I think that was a spool. Now I touched 3 and I think my tension wrench falls out. Okay, got it back. So maybe now it's time to pick one. No, one is still springy. Reset everything. No, not everything, but a lot. Not sure, I think that was one. Yeah. Okay, got a better force set now. Even better force set. I think now I can check one. I use a different hook now. One is really hard to set. I have to turn back the core manually. And it's open. Yeah. Alright, so pin 1 is the most the nastiest, the most evil stack. And I'm really excited to see the pins in this lock. Okay, let's see. I do have a key, so I lock it. No, I don't. I think I will use my pinning shoe, so I try to avoid locking it back up. Just get off the screws that help me putting it in the vise. Now I turn it like so. Evil lock, evil clip. Get my screwdrivers. Yeah. Okay, then my pinning shoe. Here it is. And the follower with the groove. Okay, let's see. Wow! Look at that. Look at pin 1, stack 1, sorry. Wow. That are modifications. Never seen that before. Cool. Alright. So, got a pinning tray. What? That is pin 1. Cool. Pin 2 is a serrated key pin. Pin 2 is one with a deep serration, with a large serration, and 4 is a standard key pin, and 5 is again with one with a serration. Then let's have a look at the plug. 1 is enlarged, really big enlarged. 2 is threaded. 4 is enlarged with an asymmetric thing here, where it's a little bit more enlarged, and this is also enlarged in a different way, and this is also a little bit enlarged and threaded, stack number 5. Cool. Alright, so now let's see the drivers. One has serration, Wow. 2 is a nicely homemade serrated. Again, one with a nice serration. That's a standard at 4, and 5 is again one with a nice serration. Get out the springs. Oh, messed with the springs because they are of different length. Not sure how they were in. Alright, so give you a close-up view to the pins. Key pin number 1 is really special. It's very thin towards the shear line, and as we have seen, it flops around because the chamber is enlarged. Then we have a serrated, standard, and serrated. The drivers are all except 4 with a serration towards the shear line, made to hang on the serrations in the plug, or in the in the serrations of the plug. Then let's look at the Bible. Seems like everything is unmodified, nothing special here. But evil enough, really great luck, challenging pick. I'm happy that I got it open. Yeah, Steensy and MB15, thank you very much for making this fantastic luck. Unfortunately, I could only pick it one way around. Didn't open counterclockwise. Yeah, so, and MellowGrellow, thanks for sending it to me. Everybody else, thank you much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.